Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video right here, I can't even call it a how-to because I got sidetracked, distracted and everything. But I'm trying to let you guys know as soon as possible, try to be clear as possible. Alright, so I don't know if you guys remember when I did the dukana and the saltfish video for what it was for Thanksgiving. This one is different. Now, I didn't get a chance to show how I did it, but it's basically the same ingredients, but it's just like you're doing boiled dumplings. Use the flour, water, you knead it with your hand, and you do it a type of way and put it in the pot boiling water, like boiled dumpling. Well, this is what this is. But basically, of course, you need a sweet potato. You grate it. You grate a piece of the coconut. I didn't even grate all the coconut. I did like half. Grate like half a coconut, a half of a sweet potato, sugar. I grate some nutmeg in there. I put some black pepper in there as well. You could also use cinnamon if you don't have no nutmeg. You grate some cinnamon in there to give it that flavor. And of course, I use brown sugar, water, flour, and you knead it up like you knead it up. Use your hand. You beat it up. You know what I'm talking about. Just like when you do basically normal boiled dumpling with the flour. With just that, you have these ingredients in there, and also you use the vanilla extract, or what we call it, essence, in there. You just pour some in there. It's like a vanilla food. It's not coloring, but like a food flavoring. I guess that's what they use for certain cakes. They pour that in there and it make it smell really good. But yeah, so that's what I did. I'm sorry that I didn't really get to show you guys step by step, but as I said, for the people who watched my video when I did the dukana, the Antigua style dukana video, it's somewhat similar, but just that you're not using no aluminum foil. It's just like you're doing boiled dumpling. The flour, water, you knead it up and you just put it in hot boiling water until it's cooked. So that's what I basically did today. I can't really name this video how to, because messed up, man. Too much distraction. I had a lot of distraction, so I couldn't really do it. But if you guys want me to make a how-to video, you could drop, you could let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna show you guys the aftermath of how it looks. Oh my goodness, and it tastes so good. Yes, I did my thing, and I grate everything. Some people blend it to make it easier. Nobody who wanna do any hard work. People blend the coconut, blend the sweet potato, but I didn't blend nothing. I grate it. Everything that I do is from scratch. So I grate the coconut, grate the sweet potato. I use brown sugar. I do not use white sugar. I use brown sugar. I use flour, grate nutmeg. You could grate cinnamon, as I stated earlier. You could grate some of the cinnamon to give it more flavor. Put some black pepper, add water, flour, knead it up real good. When you finish kneading it up, you make sure that water is hot and it's boiling on the stove. Make sure it's a big pot boiling. You can put it on high. Make sure it's boiling. You put some salt in there, and also pour some oil in there, because if you don't, they're gonna stick. You don't want it to stick. And voila, you have Antiguan style sweet potato dumpling, and it's real good. Also, it's healthy. Yes, tastes real good and it's healthy. Can't beat that. Tastes good and also healthy, not bad for you. But anyways, let me show you guys the aftermath and how things was getting along. And of course, I had my dad assist me. He came in lit on in the video because he said that I did them too small, so he redid them and do it bigger. So yeah. Let's get into it, man. Alright guys, so right here, as you can see, is that I'm boiling. I already put some of them, and I'm also boiling the saltfish as well. So as I said, make sure it's at boiling point, you know. Before you put them in, make sure it's boiling. Make sure you add your salt in that pot, and make sure you put some oil in there so they don't stick. So I was right here, I was basically multitasking because I was boiling out the salt out of the saltfish. So this was my second water. I already threw off the first water from the saltfish. This is my second water right here. So, you know, it's really salty, so you have to really boil it out, you know, and then throw off the water, put more water, boil it again, and then throw off the water again. You could do it 3 times, you could do it 2 times. If you do it 1 time, it's going to be way too salty. So it's up to you, you know. But yeah, the dumplings, the sweet potato dumplings is there boiling. Here I am right now. I'm about to add add some more, you know, and I'll make it boil maybe about 30 to 45 minutes, you know. Depends how big you want, how you do them, you know, because, you know, they swells when they boil, and they start floating when they fully cook. So that's how you know that they're cooked, you know. Chef Night is in the building. I've been cooking a lot of island food since my mom went to the island, you know, on vacation, you know, and you know, spending time with my grandmother, you know, with her mom, you know, and other family members. Yeah, I've been doing good. I really do. So here we go. I already threw off the water for the saltfish. As you can see, I have poured some oil in this pot that's in the front. You know, you pour a good amount of oil because, well, here, this is how you do it. You know, got enough oil in there in that frying pan, and I make sure I had it like a decent temperature. You know, make that oil burn. I add all my seasoning. You know, black pepper, onions, garlic, green peppers. You know, the whole works. You know, then I'll add the saltfish in there. Add some black pepper, some garlic seasoning in there as well, and sazon to give it that yellowish color. Some people use what's that called? Tomato sauce, tomato paste. That's how we do it. Alright guys, this is the finishing touch. This is how it looks. Chopped spinach, saltfish, sweet potato dumpling. Here's the pot. We need to cool down, of course. So, and this is the saltfish, of course. My sister already took out the share or whatever. This is how it looks. Yep. So it's in there cooling down. Hey, doesn't my plate look good? What you guys think? Hope you guys enjoy this little clip, you know, that I put together. I mean, did what I had to do, you know? Love it. For real. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, all the seasoning that I put into the saltfish was some I diced up some onions, green pepper, thyme, what else? Garlic, some tomato. Yeah, dice up some tomatoes as well to put in there, and also some what's that green long thing that people be eating with wings? Celery. So celery I add in there as well. and add some black pepper. When I throw it in the oil, add some black pepper, you know. Add the saltfish, let that cover it, you know, put it on low, let it simmer down. It's a wrap, man. I'm on fire. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a how-to video. You know, this is actually my first time doing it. I always been watching my mom, my grandmother, and when my aunt does it, oh my goodness. I tasted tonight, it tastes good, but I'm losing right now, because when my aunt does it, it's out of this world. When I say it tastes so good, like, man, some people just have that touch. You feel me? They got that magic touch, for real. But it tastes good. I get a pass. You know, my dad said it tastes good, so I pass. But me personally, I taste better. Like, my aunt does it, my cousin does it. Man, what? I got a passing grade, but it's not its best. I have not really fully, you know, get it right. Get it how I want it to be taste. You know, like, I want it to taste like how my aunt does it. And I know there's no way, not even in 100 years, I will get it to taste like hers. Because some people just have the magic touch. But it tastes good, though. I get a passing grade. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace until I upload another video, man. I love y'all. For real.